In this episode, you will learn how to use the Japanese particle no to modify a noun phrase. The particle no can connect two noun phrases such that the former modifies the latter. That is, in the form A no B, A modifies B. Here's one example. 鉄の女, 鉄の女, the iron lady. In this phrase, no links two nouns, 鉄 iron and 女 woman. No in this instance doesn't signify possession. Rather, it ascribes the quality of being like iron to the noun 女. Another example. モヒカンの男, モヒカンの男, a man with a mohawk. In this phrase, no links two nouns, モヒカン mohawk and 男 man. Mohikan no describes the man's hairstyle. Another example. 木の机, 木の机, a wooden desk. In this phrase, no links two nouns, 木 wood or tree and 机 desk. Kino modifies 机 by identifying the material of the desk. Yet another example. 誕生日のお祝い, 誕生日のお祝い, a birthday celebration. In this phrase, no links two nouns, 誕生日 birthday and お祝い celebration. 誕生日の modifies お祝い by specifying the purpose of the celebration. Our final example. 水の都, 水の都, the city of water. In this phrase, no links two nouns, 水 water and 都 city. 水の modifies 都 by specifying the defining characteristic of the city. This is the end of this episode. Stay tuned for more educational videos.